In supermarket, have you ever met customers without any purchase intention due to bad color freshness? And long time with high power 100 brightness lighting to accelerate the decay of the fruits and foods, also waste electricity?
Hello, this is Quinn here greeting from Caimeta. This video we would like to share with you our showroom for AI lighting that are applied for commercial supermarket, fresh food and food area. As you can see, there are different commodities displayed on this area, like the meat, seafood, vegetable, and food. In this area, Caimeta AI lighting is able to achieve 4 major functions. 1. Auto-detecting commodity and changing color with high saturation to restore object original fresh color, same as under the sunshine. 2. Active energy saving model. When people approach this area, that light will automatically become brighter, and when people leave, that light will automatically become darker. 3. Circadian lighting and time set function. 4. AIScene lighting solution. When customers come into this area, that the smart space sensors will automatically make people counting, and the lights will automatically link the dining. So here we go to see how it works out their functions. In each area, we use the famous brand lighting compared with our AI lighting. So first you can guess which side we use our AI lighting and which side use the famous brand lighting based on the color freshness. Yeah, in the left is our AI lighting and in the right is the famous brand lighting. So you can clearly say that the crab and the meat looks more fresh under the AI lighting than under the normal brand lighting. That's due to our AI lighting equipped with AI plus cosmetic chip, RGBW, and IoT technology, which is able to achieve higher color saturation and better restorability to make product looks more fresh. Even there is a comparison with eggplant and red pepper, and the AI lighting without a UV IR with edge saving function that can protect the commodity from lighting damage with lower blue light waves for virtual comfortable feelings. So it's very important for commercial supermarket, fresh food and food area to have a high quality color saturation. Even like the orange, the yellow pepper need a high quality yellow color saturation to make them seem more fresh. That can help supermarket increase the sales efficiency and save cost. So absolutely Caimeta AI lighting that can help solve different color problems, even in different season and time with one light. Thank you.